Okay, so I sent home a math aid to help with our students with two-digit multiplication. So they're looking at 23 will not go into 1. It will not go into 19. So you're going to have to go all the way to 193. So I need to see how many times will 23 go into 193. The students are making an up and down chart over here. I have filled in the down part. So they find how close can I get to 193. The closest I can get is 184. If I go one more up, it would be 207. It would be too high. So I cannot go over 193. So they're going to write down below 184. And up goes the 8. And so now they're going to subtract and regroup. So there's 9 left over. Then they're going to bring down the next number. So 98. How close can they get to 98? I'm going to change colors. I can get to 92 without going over. And I need to put a 4 up top. So I subtract. I get 6. Bring down my next number is 66. How close can I get to 66? The closest I'm going to be able to get to 66 is 46. So I'm going to put a 2 up top. I'm getting 46, which means I have 20 as my remainder. So this problem, the quotient is 842 with a remainder of 20.